Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek. I am from the Department of Sports Biomechanics, studying in Lakshmi Institute of Physical Education, Guwahati. Today, I am going to demonstrate you how to measure the body fat percentage using the Skinfold Caliper. Measuring the body fat percentage using the Skinfold Caliper, it is the most easiest and convenient way to measure the body fat percentage. Today, I have the subject with me.
My name is Lakshmi and I am a swimmer.
Okay, so he's a swimmer. Today we are going to measure his body fat percentage. Basically, there are 4 ways to measure the body fat percentage. There are 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides and 7 sides. But what we are going to perform today, that is 7 sides. So we will be marking 7 sides on the body of my subject, and then I will be measuring the fat percentage using the Skinfold Caliper, and based on that I will be calculating his body fat percentage. So first I am going to mark all the 7 sides on his body using this marker, and then I will be measuring the fat using the Skinfold Caliper. The first mark which we are going to measure, that is of the chest region. So when we are measuring for the chest region, all the measurement which we are taking, it should be either on the right side or on the left side. But it is always suggested that all the measurement that should be taken on the right side. So today we are going to take all the measurement on the right side. The first measurement which we are going to take, that is of the chest region. When we are measuring for the chest region, it should be halfway between the right nipple and below the armpit. So this is the right nipple and this is the below of the armpit. So it will be somewhere halfway. So this is the area for the chest region. So this measurement will be taken diagonally. Okay, so we will be measuring the diagonal fold. The second measurement which we are going to take, that is of the abdominal region. When we are taking the measurement of the abdominal region, it should be 2 cm or 1 inches just towards the right side of the belly button. So this is the belly button. So 2 cm or 1 inches away from the belly button, it is here. And this measurement will be taken vertically. So this will be the vertical fold, and I will be taking the measurement of this. The third measurement which we are going to take, that is of the suprailiac. When we are going to take the measurement of the suprailiac, it should be above the crest of the hip bone. So this is the crest above the hip bone. So this will be the measurement where I will be taking for the suprailiac region, and this measurement will be taken diagonally. So this is my third spot. Now moving to the fourth spot. Now I am going to take the mid-axillary. Mid-axillary on this side. Mid-axillary, yeah. When we are going to take the measurement of the mid-axillary, it should be below the armpit and to the level below the chest. So it will be somewhere here. This is my fourth spot, which I am going to take for the mid-axillary region. Now moving to the fifth spot. Now I am going to take for the triceps. So to measure the spot for the triceps, first we have to measure the length from the acromion process to the elbow. We will take the measurement from the acromion process to the elbow, and then we will measure the halfway of this acromion process to elbow. So the halfway, it is somewhere here. But as we know that the triceps muscle that lies towards the back side of the arms, so now we will shift this spot 3 cm or 1.5 inches below to the back of the arms. So for the triceps region, it will be here. Okay, this measurement will be taken vertically. So this was my fifth spot. Now moving to the sixth spot. The sixth spot, that will be of subscapular. Do your arms like this. When we are going to take the measurement of the subscapular, the measurement, it will be taken diagonally, and it will be below the this is the shoulder blade. The measurement will be below the shoulder blade and towards the spine. So this will be the place where we will be taking the measurement for the subscapular region. I am marking this spot. This is for the subscapular region. Okay. So 7th and the last spot which we are going to take, that will be of the thigh region. Can you get your rest? Okay. Yeah. Make your relax your legs. Relax. Yes, good. Okay. So the measurement for the thigh region, it will be from the hip bone to the patella. Halfway from the hip bone to the patella. So we will measure this length, and then the halfway, whichever point it will be lying, that point will be for the measurement of the thigh. So the measurement from the hip bone to the patella and the halfway, it is here. So this will be the 7th spot which I will be measuring for the thigh region, and this measurement will be also taken vertically. So these are the 7 spots now which we are going to measure using the Skinfold Caliper, and then we will calculate the body fat percentage of my subject. As I have already marked all the 7 points on the subject, Now I'm going to measure all these 7 points using the Skinfold Caliper. The first point which we are going to measure, that is of the chest region. So before measuring, let me tell you there are certain things which you need to keep in mind. The first is all the measurement, it should be taken on the same side of the body. Second is when you are taking the measurement, make sure the person or the subject, whichever measurement you are taking, he or she has not done any kind of vigorous workout before taking the measurement. And third, there should be no oil or no water like on the surface of the subject, on the skin of the subject. So these are the certain things which you need to keep in mind before taking the measurement. Okay, now I'm going to take the measurement of my subject. First I'm going to take the measurement of the chest region. So when you are taking the measurement, just hold the area on the point where you have marked a little bit above to that, and then place the Skinfold Caliper onto that. So for the chest region, the measurement is 6. To avoid any kind of mistake, you can take 3 measurements and average of that you can take. It is 8. It is 8. Now next measurement which I am going to take, that is of the abdomen region. I will hold the skin in the vertical way, just above the mark. The reading is 15. I am going to take the 3 measurements at the same point, just to avoid any human error. That's 15. Third and last time. It's 14. The third region which I am going to take, that is of the suprailiac region. Again, I will get the hold of the point, just above the point in the diagonal way. It is 9. Nine. 10. The fourth reason which I am going to take measure, that is of mid axillary. We will take a vertical fold just above the mark. This is 6. Six. The fifth measurement which I am going to take, that will be of the triceps region. It is 9. 10. The last measurement is 10. The sixth measurement which I am going to take, that is of the subscapular region. I will making a diagonal fold and then I will measure it. It is 11. 12. 12. The last spot which I have marked, that is on the thigh region. I am going to take the measurement of the thigh region. Relax your legs. Eleven. 12. 12. Now I have taken the measurement of all the 7 sides. Now I will calculate using this data. I will calculate the body fat percentage of my surface.